you guys see that? Stay tuned for the step-by-step breakdown. What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with C-Dubs. For this fight scene breakdown, we're going to be taking a look at a trailer this time for The Batman, the new Batman movie coming out with Robert Pattinson playing Bruce Wayne. And we're going to take a look at when he beats the crap out of that one thug. So let's see what techniques he uses, and we'll break it down step by step. So you've seen that from the reenactment. This is a quick sequence. Batman has a lot of aggression, lack of control. I think they're trying to make a statement with this choreography in the trailer that this Batman is unlike any of the others we've seen in film so far. So the bad guy here has a machete. Batman has his armor on. He doesn't need to move out of the way, and he just runs right through this guy. So the first motion here, the bad guy's coming in with the machete on a downward diagonal hacking motion, and right after that he tries to go with a combination. So he's going one, and then he's coming with that hook right away. Batman anticipates this. So right here he blocks and grabs at the same time. It's hard to see because of the framing and the dark lighting in the movie, but he's not just grabbing this, he's actually coming across and striking at the same time as he grabs. Then that hook comes in and he just puts up his forearm there to block that hook. Right here, he's got the inside line. So he's gonna throw a strike here as he brings the machete to his hip for control. Then he's gonna go with the backhand right away as he again keeps that machete at the hip, keeps that weapon secure. From here, he goes with that arm wrench, and he's gonna try to hyperextend that elbow and possibly hurt the shoulder here as well. Then from here, he goes with another strike across the face, grabs the hand. At this point, it's hard to see what the choreography is, whether he's coming with another backhand strike or if he's hitting this guy with his own hand, but there is a sound effect for a hit. So right after this shot here, he goes with those 3 punches, very aggressive, and then knocks the guy down. After the 3 punches, he actually goes down to the ground to finish off the bad guy with some ground and pound, and this is where he gets really aggressive and shows that lack of restraint that you don't necessarily see in Batman all the time. All right, so there you have it for this fight scene breakdown. Again, our first coming from a trailer this time, The Batman. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of Robert Pattinson playing the new Batman here, and also what you think about this choreography, and if you're looking forward to the film and all the fight scenes that are probably going to be in it, because it's a Batman movie. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We got a lot more coming your way for fight scene breakdowns, Fit Gamer fight moves, and all sorts of stuff. Fit Gamers, right? As always, game on, stay fit, and keep on training. We'll see you guys in the next fight scene breakdown.